my god, it arrived! I'm so excited. I'm struggling. Oh gosh, it's heavy. I got it out. This is definitely bigger than last year's advent calendar. Hello, thank you so much for joining me down here. So this is how it looks like. This pretty design on it. But it has this cute little red panda on it. For day one, I got a deep clear cleansing balm. This is by Pyeongkangyol. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I could be terribly wrong. Day 2 is in the bottom compartment. Lily by Red. I cannot wait to try this out. It's from a brand called Kahi. I think that this is a multi-balm. I have found day 4. Pencil of some kind. This is a glittering eye stick for day 4. Day 5, I'm just trying to like race through it. Beauty of YesStyle. This is a calming serum. Got a glow serum from this brand, and my brother tried it, but he had to wash it off immediately because he was glowing way too much. 6 is a all brow fixer. Okay, I found out that Romand isn't like verified cruelty-free. This is Advanced Triple Eye Cream, Retinol Intense. Okay, I found 8. Ooh, Etude. Lash Perm Volume Fix from Etude. Number 9. The Burger King Foot Lettuce. Okay, this is one brand I really like. It's called Fruitia. Okay, we're on 10 now. What is this? It's a contour palette from McQueen. I might have to see if I can give this to anyone. I already have 2 other ones. I don't need another one. It was put in upside down. Sort of funny. Chrissy, wake up. Centella Calming Sunscreen from Unique. I'm gonna put it upside down again. 12. Ooh, Amuse Dutton. I'll try it out. It smells very fruity. 13, the musical. Har Wonder. I knew it. I'm gonna give this to my brother because I already have this. Getting a duplicate of something is like a stab in my heart. 14. Let's go. Stay Fixer Packed Vegan. Seems like all of these are vegan again this year. Okay, 15. Ooh. Blueberry and Cream Ice Pop Hydrogel Eye Mask. Ooh. I cannot wait to try this out. It's gonna be so cool. Round 16. What's this? Double eyelid liner. Double eyelid liner? Double eyelid liner? 17 is this. This is hyaluronic acid from Cozer X, which great brand. I definitely recommend. I love looking at brands, their packaging. It's like a personality test. Ooh, it's chunky. Oh, 18 is this huge one. Tuning brush set? Blush brush, nose shading brush, base shadow brush. Oh, there's more. 19. This is a foaming cleanser from Claire's. This is how it looks like. It's actually quite a good size too. 20. Peri Para lip tint and liner set. Okay, so I got these 2 in the set. 21. Let's go. It's a glow peel. I can't wait to try all of these out. 22. A frottage pencil? It's a shining linen. It's from Too Cool for School. There's 2 more. Okay, so this is a night cream. This is biodegradable, vegan. This year's advent calendar seems really good. Okay, so this is the last item in the advent calendar. What is this? This is an eyeshadow palette. Look at all those pretty glitters. So that was everything in this advent calendar. Be sure to let me know what item was your favorite in this entire calendar. I'd love to know. Check out the description box to see all of the links of all of these items. I'll be trying to tag them all. And be sure to stay tuned to see some more in-depth testimonials of all of these items. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Okay, that's all. Bye!